live from Hong Kong. Just by chance, we just saw the DMC 488 Ferrari GTB here. Let's take a close look around this beast. Haven't seen this in a while. Awesome. DMC life. While I was walking around the car, I also noticed these awesome wheels. Couldn't quite figure out what brand these are. Are these Forgiato? If you know them, please let me know below in the comments. Live here from Hong Kong. We're in a place called Bonnet in Kowloon Island. A place called... Don't see your man, man. Don't see your man, man. Come on, do my man. You're okay. Hi guys, live from Hong Kong. I'm sitting on the floor. We're in Bonnet in Hong Kong. And not only did we visit today an awesome Porsche showroom, check out the other video if necessary, but we also just saw the DMC 488 GTB here just by chance. Let's take a look around, see how we like this thing. DMC life. Live from Hong Kong in Bonnet on Kowloon Island here. Can we call it Kowloon Island? Well, I call myself Hong Kong Island people, so we can call it Kowloon Island Bonnet. Live from Hong Kong, we're in Bonnet still, in Kowloon, at a place called ERS Motors, and they have the DMC Ferrari 488 here. Let's take a close look at this beast because I haven't seen it for a while, and it has some awesome DMC parts on it. Let's check it out together. DMC life.